Hello, Cobras! It's me, your EJ King librarian, Mr. McGrath, the fashion guru, and here I'm pretending that I'm writing a paper about fast fashion. Haha! It's kind of like mirror image, so I'm getting the wrong side. Now, if I scroll down, let's pretend I've read all this. I'm going down. This is interesting. I have signed in with Google. If you haven't signed in, sign in. Because once you do, things get a lot easier. I've made this video about 6 times. I keep messing up. It's hard to believe, but true. So last time I opened this thing up and I talked through the video, but I messed up at the end, but it still keeps the highlights I did last time. I'm going to show you how I do these things. I'm going to look for another article and I'm scrolling down. Oh, it looks a little bit different than it did last time. There's a magazine. Oh, okay, there we go. Now it's loaded. This is the article I wanted to show you. I haven't clicked on this yet. I'm clicking on it now. It's neat. It's exciting. The high cost of fast fashion. The latest trends have never been more affordable, but all those cheap clothes come at a price for impoverished workers around the world. Now, I haven't read this before. I'm going to make sure that I am indeed signed in. I'm signed in as Kevin, so watch how this works. You didn't know I had a first name, did you? Young women hunch over sewing machines in a window. Okay, look at this. I'm a fast reader, actually. I can't talk as fast as I read. They're paid less than $3. That's crazy. I'm going to make that orange. That makes me really sad. Holy cow! They sell that. Okay, they paid people less than $3 a day, but they're selling each item of clothing for $15 across the United States. That makes me a little bit angry. I'm mad. I'm going to add that note to myself. And here we go. Let's see. I'm really reading quickly. The trend also hurts the environment. Toxic chemicals are going in. Millions of tons. Oh, this is horrible. This is really, it's a travesty. And I'm not sure that that's how you spell travesty. We're going to pretend. I like to keep these short so you don't get bored. So let's pretend I'm done. I'm going to do that for the whole thing. At the bottom of this article, this is quite long. At the bottom of this article, I can send it. I'm going to export it to my Google Drive. Now, watch this. A fast and easy way to get to your Google Drive is to open up a new tab. I'm already signed into Google, so I click on this little chart, open up Google Drive. It's been showing up right away, so I hope it does, and it will show you how to do it. Even though it downloads it as a Microsoft document sometimes, yes, this is the one I want to open. It saves as a Word document. I'm going to download it as, or open it as a Google Doc. Hopefully it's going to let me do that. It's not letting me do the comments. That should be okay. Anyway, the highlight should still work. It should still work. And it isn't. Why?